What happens to your body when you eat ginger every day? For more than 4,000 years, ginger has been used as both a spice and a medicine. It's a powerful herb known for preventing and treating many conditions. Ginger owes its distinctive taste to its active compound, gingerol, which has strong antioxidant and antibacterial effects. But ginger influences much more than just flavor. It supports many functions throughout the body. Here are 3 important health benefits of eating ginger. 1. Relieves nausea. Ginger has long been used as a remedy for vomiting and digestive troubles. It stimulates saliva and gastric juices, helping food move smoothly through the stomach. Its compounds, gingerols, shogaols, and zingerones, calm spasms in the digestive tract and reduce inflammation, which explains its anti-nausea power. 2. Boosts the immune system. Adding ginger to your diet supports immunity by improving circulation and stimulating infection-fighting cells. Gingerol increases the activity of white blood cells and macrophages, while shogaol helps protect cells when exposed to viruses such as influenza and rhinoviruses. 3. Helps ease migraines. Ginger has been used for centuries to fight migraine pain. It works by blocking inflammatory enzymes, relaxing tense muscles, and easing blood vessel swelling. Ginger also reduces blood flow in sensitive brain regions, helping calm migraine symptoms. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative health content.